Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. So friends, in today's video I'm going to show you my favorite fat cutter drink which helped me a lot in getting flat and fat free stomach in just 3 days, and yes, it worked amazingly. So this is super easy, super healthy, everyone can drink it, and there is zero side effect of this drink, and this is something which is long lasting and it will gonna give you a permanent result. Just try this and you will not gonna regret it. So beauties, I'm going to share the recipe with you that how to make this, and without delaying, let's get started. So beauties, firstly here I'm taking 1 cup of hot water. Now going to add half tablespoon of ajwain in it. Ajwain is amazing for digestion. It helps you in reducing your stomach fat. Now I'm squeezing half lemon. Beauties, lemon will gonna help you in many ways. Not only with flat belly, it will gonna give you a glowy skin, gonna reduce your acne, and lemon I think should be your first thing in the morning. So now let's proceed to our last thing, which is ginger. Ginger again is too good for your metabolism, for your gut, for your flat belly. Just take a small piece of ginger, squeeze out all the raw juice from it. Now mix it well and it is ready to drink. Beauties, you have to let it sit for 2 minutes. Just don't drink it hot. You have to let it sit and then just drink it first thing, empty stomach in the morning. So here it is, and I just love drinking this drink. This is something which is must for me, and after drinking it, not only my stomach also helped me in getting glowy and radiant skin, because lemon is too good for your skin, and ginger help you a lot in increasing your metabolism and your gut health. So this is something you should try, and trust me, you will gonna see the result in few days. Just go give it a try, and this is love. This is truly a love for all the girls who want to all the ladies who want to reduce their fat stomach. So beauties, hope you have liked this video. Go give it a try. Try it for 3 days and come back to my channel, come back to this video, and don't forget to comment in the comment section your experience and everything about it. Share these videos with your friends, with your family, and if you have any queries, any recommendation, just comment it in the comment section. Hope you have liked this video, hope you have enjoyed it. Please subscribe my channel. Do follow me on Instagram, and see you in my next video. Bye bye, take care, love you.